Your mom be a power from my air web tech 2. And then maybe chow quaya and fast to any air 500 Ghana. A brand I'm used to air Palmpay. Steps are simple and straightforward. Then you say, call Play Store. Call Play Store on. Now I search it. Air Palmpay. Yes. And I say video I see pay link in that click so na me so e ro be ko Play Store na wa download come na afi me chiro kwan obefa so na or follow steps no step by step u follow steps na obinya 500 Ghana. Yes, 500 Ghana. Me manya me there. Yes, I was able to withdraw the 500 Ghana. To also follow steps no simple. Me say Palmpay e dis a hihye e ba say omo beboa na say be we use omo app na we so be enjoy kakra until the more na we use no omo so ma reward omo timinya airtime e be mumu until follow steps no na so what me enjoy me 500 Ghana ya me so me enjoy it. Until we click link na our video na sen o click here e do be ko e ha say see, I say, you know. Now I scroll it down. Now I enter your phone number. Okay. So you just enter your phone number. Then you click on this. Grab this bonus. Yes. See, it now take you to Play Store where you download the app to your phone. Okay. So you download it, we are now free. What follow steps, you know. What signing up? What signing up you get your own referral link. Now, so what me I share the more now I will share my amount phone, then your chance of getting 500 Ghana becomes so high. So we just download it from Play Store. Okay, so you enter your phone number. Okay, after entering your phone number, you click on send SMS. That's the verification. They will send it to you by SMS. And after that, you enter your first name, then your last name, then you take whether a female or female. Then you enter or you select your date of birth, and then you are good to go. You click on sign up there.